If you're looking to automate contact follow-ups in Folk CRM, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to streamline your follow-up process with ease, saving you time and ensuring you never miss an important connection. And if you're new to Folk CRM, don't worry. I'll guide you through everything, step by step. Now, Folk CRM is a fantastic tool for managing your contacts and automating tasks like follow-ups. It's designed to help you maintain relationships while taking the pressure off with automation. For those of you searching for a solution that's simple yet powerful, Folk CRM fits the bill perfectly. First, let's talk about the process of setting up follow-up automations in Folk CRM. The software makes this easy by allowing you to set automated follow-up reminders based on your interactions with each contact. You can create custom workflows that trigger specific follow-up actions based on the criteria you define. Whether it's sending an email, creating a task, or even notifying your team, you have full control over the process. One of the great features of Folk CRM is its integration with email. You can link your email account and Folk will automatically track all interactions, whether that's a conversation you've had, a link clicked, or any other trigger. From there, setting up follow-up actions becomes a breeze. For example, you can schedule follow-ups after a meeting, a call, or even a specific date, so you never forget to stay in touch with an important lead or client. The key to maximizing the automation capabilities is to really take advantage of custom fields in Folk. Custom fields allow you to personalize the way you track contacts, making your follow-ups even more efficient. You can create follow-up tasks that are tailored to different stages of your relationship with a contact. Another big time saver is the built-in segmentation feature. By categorizing your contacts based on specific criteria, you can set different follow-up automations for each group. For instance, you could set up one workflow for high-priority clients and another for new leads. This means you can stay organized and responsive without spending hours on manual follow-ups. Folk CRM also includes a powerful reminder system. You can schedule reminders to check in with your contacts based on their activity or your own personal schedule. This way, your automated follow-ups are aligned with your workflow and you'll never miss a beat. So let's go over the steps quickly to set up your first follow-up automation. First, create a contact or segment your existing contacts. Next, link your email account and decide on the action that should trigger a follow-up, like a meeting or email engagement. From there, set up the follow-up task or reminder and select when it should occur. Finally, customize your follow-up message, and that's it. Your automation is ready to go. By using these automation features, you'll not only save time, but also build a more personalized and efficient follow-up process. Whether you're managing leads, clients, or partners, Folk CRM's automation will ensure you keep the conversation going without constantly reminding yourself to reach out. If you haven't tried Folk CRM yet, you can start for free by clicking the link below. You'll get access to an exclusive extended trial so you can explore all of the automation features mentioned here without any risk. Just follow the link to get started with your free trial and you'll be on your way to smarter automated follow-ups in no time. In conclusion, Folk CRM is an amazing tool that's built for efficiency. Automating contact follow-ups is just one of the many ways it can save you time and effort, and I highly recommend checking it out. Don't forget to use the link below for your exclusive free trial, and thank you for watching.